Hello guys, I'm back with my video tutorial. So this is the first tutorial on my YouTube channel regarding to the technology. So as I go live with my gameplay previously, one of my friend, or I can say brother, asked me like how I went live on the YouTube while playing the game. So I thought why not to make a video to give you a tutorial over the same today. So I'm going to show you how to stream your PC screen live on YouTube, where you can share your video tutorials and your games directly live to the YouTube or any other supported platforms. So let's jump right into the section. So what you need to do is you need to open your Google Chrome browser or any other web browser through you can download the application. Let me open it up. Alright, so I have connected to the internet already. So you need to go to the google.com first, then you need to search Streamlabs OBS. So on the first link you need to click, then go to the download dialog box, from where you can download the application, which is for around 240 MBs. I'm going to put the link in the description as well, from where you can directly download the software, which is the best streaming software as if I know. Once you click on the download dialog box, it will ask you to save the application. Alright, I'm not going to save it because I have already installed it in my system. Alright, so you just need to double click on the application if it has already downloaded into the system, and just simply install it by clicking next and accepting the terms and condition of the application. Well, I have already installed it into my PC, so I'm not going to do it again. So let me do it for you guys now. So this is the application Streamlabs OBS. Just double click on it to open it. It is taking some time. Let it take. Okay, actually my screen is being recorded at the same time, that is why it is a bit slower, and I'm not even using any graphic card, so that is also the reason for being it so slow. So let me see what is there. So I'm already logged in with my YouTube account, so you can see this mini feed. In this feed, my recent subscribers are showing. So this is the window of Streamlabs OBS software, or the application, whatever you want to say. So first, to go or to capture your screen, you need to click on this plus sign which says add a new scene, and then you need to choose a name for this scene. I'm choosing it as test. Click on done. So the test new scene has been created. Now you need to go to this plus sign which says add a new source to your scene, includes widgets. So I'm simply going to add my display. Well, I'm using display capture here. You can use window capture too if you're having more than one screen to your PC. Just simply click to add source. It is saying display capture, and it will show you the resolution. This is the current resolution of my screen, so this will be chosen automatically. Now you need to click on done. So you might be seeing a green box over here which shows your screen. So this is the box which must be live on the YouTube or any other platform through which you have logged in. Alright, so the next you are able to see the mixer over here. In this you are able to see two slide bars. First is for desktop audio and the second one is for mic or the aux audio. So the desktop audio is something, any voice which is coming from your PC, like the application sound, the game sound, or the audio, or the any other song or video which you're playing on the PC, and this is the mic volume. So while playing the games, I suggest you to keep your game or desktop audio a bit lower than your mic audio so that your vocals or the voiceover could be heard smoothly and clearly. Alright, so the next step which I'm going to tell you is you need to go to the settings, you need to go to the output section, and first let me tell you about the stream section. Here my YouTube channel which is linked to the application is showing here. However, as soon as you open your application first time, it will ask you to log in from the platform where you want to go live on. Alright, so I've done it already, that's why it did not ask me to do so. You need to go to the output section now. It will ask you about the output mode. The one is simple and the other one is going to be advanced. In advanced it will ask you the recording quality, the recording path, and many other things. I'm going with the simple one. It will ask you to enter your bit rates. So the more the bit rate is, the more stress will be on your PC or on the processor or on the GPU. I'm not having any GPU, so that is why the software X264 is visible here. Otherwise Nvidia or the other graphic card name could be here. This is the audio bitrate. You can choose it manually. This is the recording path where all the recordings will go after the stream if you are recording it. And this is the recording format. I'm choosing it as FLV, and this is the buffer and all settings. There are many settings, you can grow to them one by one by your own. This is the audio, this is the video quality, these are the hotkeys. You can add up some hotkeys by your own to operate the application by the keyboard. This is the process of the audio and video. I'm not going deep into this, you can do it later. So because the today's video is for going live over the internet directly. Alright, so here you can see a recording button. If you click on this button, the screen will be start recording, and there is a button which says go live. So you just need to simply click on this button. You need to create a new event. You need to choose a title and the description. I have already chosen test as both. Now you need to confirm and go live. Once you will do this, your stream will go live in seconds, and it totally depends on your internet connection. You are already live now. You can sign into chat from here. Okay, you can see, you can chat, you can have some chats over here. There are a lot of emojis out there. Alright, I need to close these tabs. Alright, you just simply need to minimize this window, and you can go to your screen. This must be live, or you can play your games. Let me go and play a simple game for you. Or the game will be in the different video, I guess. Alright, I'll stream my game in the different video, that is for sure. So that's all for the video. Okay, my internet connection is not stable. That is why dropped frames detected 11% over the last 2 minutes and ago. So if you want to end your stream, you just need to click on end stream. So your stream has been ended now. So that is all for the today's video. I hope you liked it. If you really liked it, kindly press like and share it too. This is my new channel. Surely I will make some new and cool videos for the internet tips and tricks. I'm sorry, for the Windows tips and tricks, and for the PC as well. So that is for the today's video. That is all. I hope you liked it, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much.